Hey guys, what's up? This is Kirby Smith with Greg. Greg, most recent customer. What's up, man?
How you doing?
Doing good here. It's a little chilly. I'm kind of cold, so we're gonna make this a quick interview. But can you tell folks what we did on your home? And I'm gonna kind of get it in the background here.
Right up there.
So we put in some gravel stop drip edge. This is a repair to a commercial roof. As you can see, it's on a curve. It's a little unusual. Tell folks about it. What was happening?
We had water going over these front windows, and this stops it and diverts it to the gutters.
So you got gutters on the left and gutters on the right. It rained real hard last night, and we kept all the water away.
Perfect.
Yeah. Shout out to my buddy James. Thank you for the referral, James. And Greg, thanks so much for the work. I think it came out looking quite nice. And as you said, that's not an easy thing to do when you're involved, right? Get the thumbs up. But
Yeah.
glad for the work. Thank you so much, and appreciate it, my brother.
All righty.
Yeah.